Packer and Son, Ironmonger. Eliminate all blighter thugs to conquer their strongholds and gain Rook territory. Yeah, our brother's idea of let's have the Rooks as an own gang. Oh, they have captive there. I think we might go up. I hope we have some kind of yard or back alley. Yes, we do. It's 10 blighters. Who's that? Sniper. Great! So we have 1, 2, 3 here, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're not seeing all of them, not yet. But I think this one, yeah. He's hidden enough. There's a crate. What is that? A lookout. When detecting intruders, lookouts run to the main shelter and call in reinforcements. Oh, please don't. Please be quiet. Let's try to hide people in this alley. So this is police. They should ignore us. As long as we don't do anything suspicious. Here's the lookout. Come here. Come here. You're not calling for any reinforcements. You know, we basically have a random crate somewhere on the streets with nearly 300 pounds, but these special crates somewhere on the roof. It's like, here you have a color. Here you have a schematic. I know we probably need these schematics later on, but still. This ominous £1 is a bit weird. So she's...
You're not supposed to be...
Shut up.
You need to You need...
Shit. Not as quietly as intended. Sorry. But we are not yet detected by the rest. So how many do we have? 4 out of 10. Does anybody see us here? No. So, kiddies, you didn't see a thing, did you? I'm not hurting you. He's innocent as well. Oh! But I can't do that there. They have hostages, I guess, that don't want to harm them. How far do you listen? Thank you, Steam, for... Anyways.
Somebody playing silly buggers over there.
Okay. Come here. Ah, now he's freed and he fights for me. Okay. And I really have to figure out how
Perhaps we
to
can harness the gangs after all.
record without the Steam overlay.
I'll back you up if need be.
Okay. Thanks very much. So. Can't we vault here? We can. £679. Wow. Oh, that's 2 of them. Shit. Huh.
Perhaps we can harness the gangs after all.
How do we do that? I mean, I do have double assassination. I'm not really sure if that works. Oh, it does!
Help! I need help!
I'll find out where you're buried.
You don't. 9 of 10. Ah, we still have the sniper. That's another crate. Let's go for loot. I mean, most of them are dead anyway, so they don't need it. And we get a few XP for the crates. So. No, you're not. Alright. It's really this backwater kind of back alley. The roofs are patched very unevenly. It's probably raining through, as we can see here. So this really looks like gang territory. There's our sniper. And good night. Oh. That went surprisingly well. Henry Green. The Indian guy wearing white. Ruby Kukri. Ooh. To be honest, the music is decent in the game. So, one last thing in Whitechapel. Oh, cutscene.
You and your brother are attracting the wrong kind of attention. I would be careful.
Yes, you should be, Mr. Kaylock.
As you like.
Oh no. What the? Burnt one. Oh, he's already dead. Recruit rooks to fight alongside you. I don't need that right now. Just looting the dead guys and then...
That ain't right! Stop! Thief!
I'm no thief. They are dead. I'd expect Londoners, especially gang members, to be a little bit more opportunistic. I know it's blasphemy to steal from the dead, but we are industrialized London here. We have areas with poverty, so I expect them to actually steal themselves from the dead. Champion plate polish. W.H. Atkinson. Okay, kids have always been kids. Sold in large 6-penny boxes. Brilliant durable polish. Invaluable and saving time and labor. I am reading. By chemists, grocers, ironmongers, oilmen, and everywhere. Kitchen utensils, plate cloths, for silver, plated goods. The cleaning accessory for everybody.
You and your lot should be locked up. Holy Mary! Everyone come quick! Murder! There's been a death! A murder!
This is great. She's standing there, completely relaxed, arms on her hips,
Holy
and
Mary!
she's basically panicking in terms of voice acting, but the rest is like, I'm standing here, but I'm really panicking. He's so much panicked that he is inside the wall.
Can't we have 5 minutes? You do not want to bother me today. Thanks, close enough.
I know I could kill the messenger, but I want to actually complete the quest. Oh, polishing shoes to earn money. I guess no, it's washing. Of course, we have a fountain here. We have fresh water, more or less fresh, given that of course all the waste was poured into the Thames. So let's say we have running water. I wouldn't say we have clean water. And I don't think that this is any useful, but you do you. Okay, that must be an interesting smell here. And of course, an interesting view. We have the barber shop here. No, it's not a barber shop. Wine spirit store. Ale, stout, ciders, bottled beer, a merchant. We have a barber here on the street, and he is watching open dead pigs. Fair, if it suits you. Here's our quest.
What is this place?
It's nice to meet you both at last. This is Babylon Alley. Here we make it our business to know the streets and provide children with the opportunity to control their own destinies.
Clara. Mr. Green said we might be able to help one another.
In exchange for our services, we ask a small favor.
Well, why not? You seem to have taken most of my money. Why not take a small favor, too?
There are several factories about the city that are powered almost entirely by child labor. Those children work long hours with little pay, and most are not permitted even to leave the factory grounds. They suffer terribly. I need you to save them.
A small favor.
In return, we offer you intelligence, something you clearly need.
Now, hold on a minute.
I'm late for an appointment. What are these terms?
We accept.
Pleasure doing business with you.
Ew. She sounded fairly adult, but we have to keep in mind that kids had to grow up quite quickly at these times, and what she's saying about child labor and factories, we've seen this in the first chapter anyways, and this is not wrong for the time. Child labor was common. Helix glitch, I don't want to do that. This seems to be our factory. The Redcliffe Mill. Child liberation.
I knew there was trouble. I could feel it coming.
I don't have time right now.
No, he sees me.
Because of my rear, don't mean I can't take care of you.
Whatever's going on.
Something's out there.
It didn't work last time. Let's see if we can actually What is he doing? I mean, he's not doing anything anymore. Oh, sorry. Just passing through. Whitechapel Sawmill. Alarm bell in the area. Child liberation, who's that? Our factory owner, I guess. A leader. Important characters in any layout and are stronger than other enemies. Killing them stealthily will scare nearby enemies, making them flee the area. And of course, he looks well fed. He has expansive clothes. So, what do we have here? We have no guard outside. Means if we whistle, we can get rid of him. That's -1. And I have to get to the alarm bell without it being activated. Lighter territory. So he's upstairs, he's upstairs. He's directly above us. So the question is, if whistling is 3-dimensional, means if you can if you can hear that upstairs, we'll risk it. We'll risk it anyways. Yep. So, the first kids are free. They are not coming. Sabotage. Good.
You'll be alright. Trust me.
You're all right for growing up, ain't you?
Okay. I don't think that this does make sense. You're working on the dirt. But if it keeps you busy. So we have 3. Okay, 1 guard here. Do they see us across the room? It would be logical. But let's hope their eyes are not that good. Is he looking at us or away from us? He's looking at us. They are not seeing anything.
Clever girl. Next time.
Shit. He is not coming, but he is... Shit. Okay. No. No, no, no. Here's wow. Oh, he's coming. That's good. Or not so good. Does he see me down here? Is he looking around the corner? He's not.
She was right here, wasn't she?
Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my god, no! Where does he come from?
This place is full of them. Just look the other way.
What's wrong? Too much of a coward to face me?
Kind of.
I wonder if I know the oh, Christ!
But you must replace a brat every other week.
Okay. That could have gone worse. I'm not here to kill you, I'm here to save you, you idiots.
Quiet now.
Thank you, Miss Crow.
Everybody knows who we are. Thank you, Miss Fry. Rumors spread quite quickly here. So, can we... Yeah. What are you... I'm not even asking.
More work. Next one to utter a word spend the night chained to the fence.
So... Shit.
You're not allowed in here. This ain't good. Oh, buggered.
Also that could have gone worse.
Bugger. What's going on now? This lot will lick anything.
Are they looking for us?
We ship
No.
out next week, and we are far behind schedule.
We have these two? I'm sorry that I'm so often in this stealth view, but don't want to cause too much mayhem. These two, alright. We could jump him. If we can go up there, can we reach through? No, we can't. Hmm.
I'm a good man. I bloody swear.
Don't
I'll
attempt
just
to-
pretend I never saw her.
That's nice. Please don't. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on,
It's in my head.
come on, come on. So, do not trigger the alarm. The alarm is deactivated, and we only have our leader here.
Bloody children. They seem cheap, but you must replace a brat every other week.
And he doesn't seem to worry that the other guard isn't here anymore. So, kids, you're good to go.
It's all right.
Thanks, lady.
This didn't go too bad, I think. I mean, we were discovered twice, but nobody rang the alarm. We saved everyone. Next reward is a thief belt. That sounds promising. Child liberation completed. Gang war? What? What? Cane swords. Adapt cane swords. Is this now the end of the arc of Whitechapel? But now that we have removed the blighters, just to look through the sawmill, I mean, we have on the boards here, the planks, we have the raw material involved, the ropes. Where is it? Here we have the working area. Still pretty much manual labor, as we can see.
What's happening?
Well, anyway, somehow they're repairing a card. But there's really something going on with the wood. Well, we have loads of wood being stored here, but in terms of working, we have 2 people doing something. Oh yeah, the building is... Well, I know I repeat myself. It does look nice. I have no idea what he is doing. Scare bullies. How am I doing that?
This is no place This path won't end well for you, mate.
Think I'll go for a stroll.
Crowd event.
Magnificent asshole. Thank you.
I was just... Okay, I was awkwardly bumping into people. And... Oh, here we have our shoe cleaners. Without a person working here, but... Here we have what I mentioned before. So let's run through this not suspicious alley at all. Chambers, sewing machines, warehouse and head office. Get item?
Heads up, Chief.
Ooh, nice.
Thank you.
Florador food. What does it say? Able for... Seven. It's probably available. Is it a 7? Is it supposed 7 days? But that's no day. 7 ages. Oh, the 7 ages of man as we have it from theatre. With Shakespeare, the 7 ages from the beginning to the end. So, food for all ages. That took longer than I would want to admit. I think you're much faster in recognizing that. So let's go for the gang war. And I know that I do spend... Can I read that from here? Whitechapel Goose Ale. The largest building, of course, has to be a brewery. We're on the British Isles anyways. And I know I spend quite some time staring. And walking across quite ruined buildings. Come on. We can jump that. What a dumb question. Anything? No, I was just hearing sounds. Oh. Confront K-Lock. Oh my god! Do I actually have story for that? Inventory. Oh, we have a new color unlocked. Yeah. This is definitely what we need. No, we don't. For the weapons, can I already... That's more lethal. But this is what we get after this quest anyways. But let's see if we can get to level 3, then we can also use that. Leadership 1, we have this. Eagle Vision 3, radius increases. Reduce all melee damage suffered. So far we're good with that. Intimidation. Kidnapped enemies. Oh, I only have 1 point. Good. Not good. I think we get 1 after this quest. Let's fail. Oh, it's of course Mr. Green.
Ah, there you are. All that stands between you and Whitechapel is the villain controlling the borough. Kaylock has demanded you settle the claim for territory in a gang fight.
His loss?
Here. I'm sure you can put this to better use than I can.
Oh, what's this, Greenie?
Ooh.
Assassin Christmas.
Gather your allies.
Gearing up. Higher levels, better weapons, accessories and outfits. We already recognize that. Inventory, purchase and equip. Yeah, nice that you're telling me that now, game. I already know that. What do we have equipped? Oh wait. No, the ivory... Okay, we have 3 types of weapons actually. The canes, the kukris, and the knuckles. But to be honest, for Evie, this cane really fits her style as in being the elegant weapon. I won't change that. Oh, how far does that... Oh my god. Does it ever end? Ooh. So let's pretend we've never looked at that.
Mr. Rexford Kaylock has agreed to your terms and waits for you at the Whitechapel train station. He's bet his train on the fight.
He's betting a train. That's something. And of course it's raining. Welcome to England.
Where are you, Kaylock? Perhaps this will draw you out.
Oh my god.
To arms!
Okay. There he is, on the train.
There you are.
Sorry there, Sloot. Yeah, it's only £5. I know, but it's loot. Okay, I'm running. Okay, convinced. And it's wet out here. Ah, that's probably these helix glitches. We'll ignore those for now. If I compare that to some of the current train stations we have, I'd actually prefer these old ones, to be fair. Oh yeah, I don't have time to look around. I have to follow a train running. Must be German train services running that thing, given the speed it has. Here we are again at the market of Whitechapel. So here we started today's recording. Okay. Now he's running again. Anyways, let's simply hit people. I really like her moves with a cane, that's impressive. Whoa. Oh my. Ow. Ah, Jesus. Oh no. Jeez. Ugh. Ow! I actually wanted to go to the middle of the roof to have a better stage for fighting. And this led me to nearly being killed.
Now. It's not all bad.
But it went well, and now we have a train. The thing in terms of transport. Of industrialization, the steam engine at its best.
is dead. Whitechapel is no longer in the hands of the Blighters.
You now have the chance to join our ranks. We welcome all who would stand up to Starrick and his cutthroats.
Welcome to the Rooks.
Ah, you bastard. I'd rather throw myself to the tracks than run Bertha another mile for that doty ball-bag.
Kaylock? He's left the station.
Mel. Hello, fancy pants. And who might you
I'm
two
Evie
be?
Fry, and this is my brother, Jacob Fry.
Pleased to meet you. I'm Agnes McBean.
A delight.
I thought I was getting a promotion. I suppose I'm out of work now.
Come work for us instead.
I won't bile your heat. You pay better than scraps?
I'm sure we can at least match that.
Then may I present to you Agnes and Bertha, Lady and Locomotive, at your service. I'll be in the next car.
A hideout on the rails. What an excellent idea.
Yes, it all worked out rather well. Now, I would like to follow up a lead on... Jacob? This is serious?
I'm not doing anything until this gets fixed.
I believe I know someone who can help with that.
I knew you would, Greenie.
So now we have a train as a mobile hideout, and we have the second non-English person. So we have our Mr. Green, David Green. I mentioned that before. Given the sound to her, she's Scottish.
You know, a mite of money goes a mickle bit in this city.
Here she
Think
is.
of the power of good you can do with the purse you bring.
So our train master is Scottish, and of course she's called Agnes. Yeah, names and stereotypes. Great. Collect income?
You talk of a store in London. Well, now's your chance. That there map shows who to speak to. Old friends, if you will. Give 'em a whiff of that sterling, and maybe you can save us all from having to lay down our knife and fork afore we're ready.
Oh, she's great. I love that. Where's this map? What kind of train is that anyways? Oh, interact. Oh, over there. Yes, there's this board print on the screen, which I of course don't see. Here's the map.